Today we're not sitting at the desk, we're going in the field. I'm going to review our robot vacuum cleaner, the Roborock S7 Max Ultra. So this is one of the most important appliances we have around the house, and I wanted to review it. Actually, it's not a review. It's to answer a very specific question that I had before buying this. See, we have 5 dogs. And to me, buying a vacuum cleaner is kind of suicide, right? So we wanted to try it out and see if it can deal with the heaps of hair that we get every day. So I wanted to start this video by showing you 5 people without whom this will not be possible. Let's go take a look. So, sponsor number 1 is Shalabi. He is a mutt shepherd. Dog number 2 is Willie the Labrador. Dog number 3 is Billy the Labrador. Dog number 4 is Gucci, his mama. And dog number 5 is Diesel, the messed up German Shepherd. So I wanted to start out by showing you what a typical, set of hair clumps that we have after probably a day. So, and this is just in one corner of the house, and this is the place. This is upstairs, so the robot vacuum doesn't go here, but I wanted to show you. So I think you're here for one question. Does it actually work? Can it handle this amount of hair coming from 5 large hairy dogs? The answer is yes. Surprisingly, yes. It actually cleans the house super effectively. We have it vacuum every single night. It takes about an hour and a half. This is a 100 square meter space, or 1,000 square feet. It's an open space. The floor is a mix of carpets and marble. So we have it vacuum every night, and we have it mop twice per week. And it actually does a really, really good job at both. And we were surprised. But what I want to show you today, apart from answering the question, which again the answer is yes, it handles our 5 dog hair situation. I wanted to show you what that entails, because there's a cost to that. And we're going to start out by seeing what. What happens here? So, first of all, you can see that there's a lot of hair that you have to handle. I'm holding the camera, so I can't kind of undo. Well, actually, let's undo this. So you can see here, I have to take this out. There's a lot of hair tangled here. There's a lot of hair here. So about every 3 days, I think a couple of times per week, I open this up and I start cleaning. I untangle this, everything. It takes about I think 5 minutes overall to go through the entire setup. So this is hair around all the wheels, hair stuck to the mop add-on, or whatever it's called. And actually, when it's cleaning the mop it cleans the mop before mopping, and it cleans it a couple of times during the mop. So when it cleans it out, it actually removes the hair. But the mop does kind of drag quite a bit of hair around as well. But because we vacuum before we mop, then that's kind of taken care of. And let's see if we want to empty this. And excuse my weekend barefoot existence. So you remove the dustbin, and you'll see that there's a bit of hair kind of hanging over here. So you need to remove that. And you open this up. And this is the amount of hair that it took out in one day. So you'll notice here that I'm emptying by hand, and this is supposed to be auto emptying. So that's the one thing you'll have to sacrifice. The hair, it clumps up, and I think it's too heavy and too sticky for the auto emptying to work effectively. It does take some of the hair, and it did fill out the bag that comes with it a couple of times. But the cost of having so much hair is that I do have to empty this out manually every single night, which is a cost I'm happy to pay. So let's take another look at the station again to see the effect of having so much hair. So you get kind of stray hair like this all over the place, which is fine. You need to clean it often. And as you can see around, let me actually take this out. This is the roller that cleans the mop. And because the mop drags around a lot of hair, you can see that the roller gets kind of covered in hair as well. So just like I need to clean the roller for the vacuum, I need to clean this as well. And there is hair all over here that has to be cleaned as well. It's not super complicated to clean it. Okay, a lot of hair. And I left this for a few days without cleaning so that I can show you guys. But yeah, so I think if the question is, would I recommend this to someone who has pets? 100% I do. This has been a lifesaver. And obviously, if you have less hairy dogs, or if you have only one dog or a couple of dogs, or a dog and a couple of cats, or whatever it is, anything less than 5 hairy dogs, I think the situation would be a lot more manageable. The auto emptying might work in that case if your dog's hair is shorter. But I think if it can handle this group, then it would be able to handle most pet situations. And yeah, I'll only ask you to, if this helped, and you're buying the vacuum, to use the link that I have in the description. This helps out the channel a lot. It doesn't change the price for you, but there's a little bit of kickback that actually allows me to get items to review. If you like this, please press like, subscribe. I talk about other things in my life. I love well-designed and useful objects, so I'm talking about them. I'm posting every single week. So thanks for tuning in. Bye.
Charging.